Hey, Mark Nelson from MarkNelsonOnline.com. Today I want to talk about how do you get more views on YouTube? And especially in today's climate. See, before I head into that content though, if you're brand new to my channel, go down there and subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell that shows up, because then you're going to get notification about when I'm on. And I give great videos, I really do. You'll really like them. So let's get back into this content. How do you get more views on YouTube? Well, I'm really going to give you 4 tips on doing it, because if you go out and you start thinking about this, right, the 2 biggest search engines right now are YouTube and Google. They'll probably switch around, Google and then YouTube, but people go to YouTube and look for how-to videos, right? So if we started thinking this, right, because as I was building my channel, I started thinking, well, what does YouTube want? Right? Because, I mean, that's who's really gearing this for. What does YouTube want? So what I did, and I started doing some research. See, most people think it's either likes or subscribers, right? And if you actually go to your Creator Studio, and you get in the left-hand side, you're going to see a column. Go down to Analytics. And when you hit that, 3 things show up. At the very bottom is subscribers, likes, and then what shows up is minutes watched. See, that's what YouTube wants. They want to know, are people connecting with you? Are they watching your video? Or are you putting out enough content to keep them on your video? So one of the best quotes ever is by Michael Jordan, is master the fundamentals. So actually the 4 tips, right? If to get people on your video, your thumbnail, you gotta have a great thumbnail, your title, the hook, and then the content. So the thumbnail, I create mine mostly on Canva. And I know as people go bigger, they might have some people, graphic designers do those, but excuse me, I do mine on Canva. Now, people like to do a lot of things. I usually have a picture of me up there somehow. There is clickbait, right? People like to click on pretty women. I use a baby once in a while. I'll use different images, but usually it's me. I want people to see me. My title on that thumbnail is usually different than the title of the video, and it's shorter words. I'm trying to make it stand out. So when people come, they just say, boom, right? They might be 4 words as a title. I think that's what you got to concentrate on. Okay, now, so your title, it's got to be catchy. How-to. People look for how-to videos all over the place. But it doesn't. Here's what you got to do is go look at what the people that are very successful doing and kind of copy what they're doing. Right? I mean, don't just copy, but go see what they're doing and kind of do the same thing that what you're doing. Now, this is the most important part, is the hook. See, people's attention span is like 8 seconds. So you got to grab hold of those people in the first 5 to 10 seconds. So before you make a video, craft what you're going to say. Somehow, right? And then got to catch them so they take a look at your stuff. And then you got to give great content. See, it's minutes watched. Think about this. People are searching. And if they're watching your video for a minute, isn't that cool? People you don't know, isn't that cool? But how do you keep them there longer? Well, one of the biggest things you can do is make sure you're giving good eye contact. Make sure you're looking at them. It's no different if you're talking to people in person, because you really are, right? If people are giving you eye contact, you're kind of zoning in on them. But if they kind of turn away, maybe even walk away or look down, you lose them. So I do a lot of YouTube videos, how-to videos, where I'll do a PowerPoint or I'll do a screen share, and I take away me from that scheme. I'm trying to do less than less. If I do a how-to video, I have myself in a corner. And I'm trying to learn how to make myself a little bigger because I want people to see me. And the people that are successful on YouTube are on that screen a lot. So remember eye contact. So the 4 tips, I did 5, but 4 tips. Thumbnail, make sure it's catchy. Title, make sure it's catchy. That hook, 5 to 10 seconds. Get them into your content, and then you got to have great content. Remember this, it's minutes watch, nothing else. That's what you're trying to get done. Hey, I got some great stuff for you. I put together a free PDF called 6 Daily Activities that you need to be doing every day to grow your business. It's marknelsononline.com/6 daily steps. I'll have the link in the description. I also have a free PDF giveaway, about 101 ideas for YouTube videos. It's really pretty cool. Look for that link below too. Hey, we will talk again soon. See you tomorrow. Bye.